How I found my first design job in Europe as an expat. Originally, I'm coming from Russia, and that was always my dream to work in an English-speaking environment. So that's why I asked myself, how can I do that? And I just started applying on LinkedIn. I already had experience working in the field. I worked in Moscow in one startup and then in St. Petersburg in another startup. But actually, I never worked in an English-speaking environment. That's why it was something new for me. And I was a little bit afraid to try that, but that was my dream. So I decided to challenge myself and I started applying for different job openings on LinkedIn. And then there was one very interesting startup. So the name of the startup was Circled, and their product owner was MIT student who decided to create something like TikTok meets Amazon, because the idea was to create a platform where you would be able to sell different local products like in TikTok. So you would scroll around and then you would see different local products. And I really wish to work in this company because I really liked this idea and I really believed that. I even wanted to work for free because I just wanted to get some stocks and I hoped that it would go on the market. And I already had established portfolio, I had my website, I also had portfolio on Behance and Dribble. But I said, but how exactly can I differentiate myself? What should I do in order for this product owner to notice me? What would I want to have if I would have my startup? That my employee would use this application. That's the hack. So I started using this application. I just started selling different items that I could find in my house. I was selling shoes, I was selling books, I also tried to sell tatami. And I became just super viral there. I was one of the main customers of this application. And so when I went to my interview, the founder already knew me. And after doing my design task, he gave me opportunity to work in his company. So the lesson here is that you really have to be creative and innovative in every phase of your career and your journey as a UX designer. Follow me and I will share more of my experience.